Kothambari Pallya Sukke. When you get plenty of fresh coriander leaves, you can make the sukke as a tasty aromatic side dish with rice. So here is a fresh bunch of coriander leaves. You can use the whole bunch including the stems. First, to wash thoroughly to remove the dirt, and now to chop it finely. Add 2 red chilies to a quarter cup of grated coconut. Add a little haldi and grind to a coarse texture. Keep aside. In a pan, splutter a teaspoon of mustard seeds, then half teaspoon of urad dal and a quarter teaspoon of methi seeds. When they brown, add the chopped leaves.
सर्वांके नमस्कार. आता चहा पाऊस चालू होता की तहसील राम दे सगळं अपलोड करता ते सगळं तुमकां इश्टान जाता म्हणून म्हाका दिसता आनी के व्हिडिओस घालूसला प्रेरणा तुम्ही तो दिमका ते देखून व्हिडिओस लाईक कराय तुमगे फ्रेंड्सांक सगळं शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब करूंक सांगता.
Add salt to taste. And then add the brown mixture. Add very little water. Mix well. Cover and let cook on low flame. Switch off when the water has dried. Now a very aromatic sukke is ready to be served. Enjoy this with your lunch. If you liked this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.